everyone, welcome to my channel. This is an unboxing for Ipsy. This is the first time I've gotten this box. I'm so excited. So let's open it now. I have been getting the Ipsy bag for a year, but I have been on the wait list of this box for about 4 months. That was a very long wait, and it was because I did pause my membership for about 2 months. Oh, it's just that you always get this tiny little samples, and sometimes they're not even good enough. So now let's do this. First time. Hey Ipster. So I think this contains the items that are in this box. And let's go into the first one. Check this out. I'll be showing the Benefit Dandelion Shy Beam. And I think this is a highlighter. Ooh, a highlighter. And let's see. Benefit Cosmetics Dandelion Shy Beam Liquid Highlighter. The value of this is $26. Let's check this out. This is how it looks. It's pretty. In a rose gold container with green. I like it. Let's see. This looks like foundation, which is very weird. It does not look like a highlighter. It looks like foundation. And it blends like foundation. You can see there's no shine or anything to it. I don't see a beam in there. Oh well. The next one, it's a little tiny Ahava product. The Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. And this one does not say anything. And I do not remember having an extra item. There was this. So, I don't know what it is. Our next item on this box will be the Huda Beauty. Coral Obsessions is this one. And this one retails for $27. And I got the palette in coral. I kind of wish for the smoky. I like smoky. Not too much of these colors, but I guess they're okay. It's a little small. Looks like a little item. The next item on this box is the Farah brushes. They're silver. And these ones retail for $50. 5-piece brush. And it's never enough for me to have brushes. I have tons of tons, and I always need more. They're okay. Soft. I like them. We can try out. This makes it a little blurry. Trying to, I think I got it. let's try some of the colors. I don't like watching with mine. The colors are very, very pigmented. And there they are, if you can see them. Well, it looks like I got myself beaten up. Let's try with the fingers. What then? I feel like I'm running out of fingers. Here it is. They're way too red for me. I don't really like reds. Anyways, not as bad. And the next item is a Portlis Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. I think I got this one in a different box before. I did not use it. I sent it to my mother. And let's see. What's in here? So this is the item. It's Balancing Moisturizer, Bright Hydration, Fine Line Prevention, perfect for under makeup, normal, dry, sensitive skin. And then the other one is the Real Her. Okay, forgot about mentioning how much the Perlis. It's $45. Okay. And then the next one. It's another red lippy. I don't really like red except for this little dress that I'm wearing. And let's try this one out. I have a lip gloss. Whoa. I don't know if I can do this. It's way too red. Extremely red. Scary red. Okay, I did it without any smudges. What do you think? Wow, my lips are huge. And I did a little bit of the outline in here. Anyways, those are the items. We got the Real Her, and this one retails for $14. Oh, and it's a matte lipstick, and it's very sticky. So it's like, I think it's drying to make it like permanent for a little while. But it's very uncomfortable because you can't really close your mouth that much like this, or it gets stuck in the middle. Anyways, we got this one. Don't really like it at all. This palette is not my favorite. I would have honestly much rather have the other two items, the other two color palettes, but I got this one. I don't like reds on my face, except for a dress or accessories. And then we also got these brushes. They're very good and soft. I like them. And then this Perlis Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. Not gonna use that one. Definitely gonna use this brushes. These brushes are gonna be usable. Not gonna use this one as well, or this. And I do not know why I got this. I did remember now. I do remember getting an add-on, but it was not this. My add-on was something else, and I think it was brushes. And totally, I don't know why they say highlighter. There is really nothing highlighter to this. It's just like, do you see? Like foundation. I don't really think this is a highlighter. Probably for under your makeup before you put in foundation. You use this one. But I'll definitely use this one as foundation. Probably for my under eyes, which I've been very tired. So 2 items in here. I'm gonna use them. The other ones are not my thing. Anyways, this box, my very first box from Ipsy Glam Plus, was really a letdown. I hope the next one will be a lot better. And again, the palette was $27 and the lipstick is $14. The highlighter is $26. The moisturizer is $45 and the brushes are $50. I don't think $50 are really worth for these brushes, but anyway, that's the price that they say. And we only paid $25 for the Ipsy Glam Plus. Thank you guys. I hope you like this video. Bye.